Welcome back. My name is Jose Schmidt, Patient Services Director with Hair Transplants of Florida. So the other day I was having a conversation with my wife, and after 20 years in the industry, she asked me, what drives you to keep doing what you do? And very important question. And it was really an easy answer. When I had my hair restored, I'm 50 years old now. I started losing my hair at 27. I'm completely restored. And I was fortunate enough to really find really good people that helped me correctly. And back then, there weren't as many landmines, as I call them, as there are in the industry today, unfortunately. I think in every industry, you have your great people doing great things, and you have others that, let's just say, aren't so great. And unfortunately, patients pay the price. And I flat out told her, my job is to take somebody by the arm and just guide them through great experience and obviously great results. That's my job. And I do it through teaching people. I learned a while back from a very successful gentleman that if you want to be successful in life, you should have the heart of a teacher. And I implemented that many years ago in my career, and thus far it's really helped me a lot. And it's helped me help a lot of people. Here at Hair Transplants of Florida, we don't sell you, we don't push you. Our job is to teach you about the great things that can come about from a hair restoration procedure, teach you about Dr. Bada, our cosmetic surgeon, and our team of technicians that deliver great results. But my job is just to guide you, give you information, and make sure you avoid the landmines in the industry. Some of the landmines are, one of them I call them the FUE only clinics, where they don't offer both the FUE and FUT. And we offer both. We specialize in both. We think both are great, but each one is good for a certain patient. They're not all good for every single patient. So part of our job is to teach you about both and which one is best for you based on your particular factors, and everybody's situation is different. So a lot of the FUE only clinics offer FUE to every single patient, and it's absolutely not the right thing to do. Another one is delivering weak results. One of the things I always recommend patients is look at that before and after page. That is the bread and butter. That is pedal to the metal. That is what's going to tell you, are these the results I want to get after I invest my hard-earned money? And you shouldn't be getting just a little bit of improvement. You should be getting a wow result. And that's something we promise all of our patients. And also, another landmine is overpaying. There's a big national company that's on television all the time. I actually worked for them, learned a lot. But, I left because it was a situation where they would pressure me to pressure the patient to sell, sell, sell. And again, that didn't go right by me. And also, just being overpriced, I don't think that's fair to the patient. You don't have to break the bank to get your hair back. It's an investment, and it's an investment that you're going to reap for the rest of your life. However, there's no sense in having to overpay for hair restoration surgery. So, those are some of the things that I enjoy. I enjoy being transparent, being honest with our patients, guiding them correctly, delivering a great experience during the procedure, and most importantly, delivering life-changing results when they get the hair back. So if you'd like to have the Hair Transplants of Florida experience, you can reach us at 855-855-4310, and you can always check out our results at hairtransplantsofFlorida.com. Again, Jose Schmidt, Patient Services Director with Hair Transplants of Florida. We look forward to hearing from you.